On 18th of September, Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam (ACYPA) criticized over the management of Hotel All-in-One situated along the roadside of Lahorijan at National Highway 39 under the jurisdiction of Khatkati Police Station. On 15th of September, an intel of trafficking prostitution at Hotel All-in-One was received from its sources. Acting upon the information, a search operation was carried out jointly by the concerned civilians along with the police officials. On this search operation, Jitendra Singh, owner of Hotel All-in-One, Biki and Abbas, procurers along with 2 women were caught red-handed. Chitra Barua, President ACYPA, while speaking to us, informed that the hotels present along the roadside of NH39 had been performing unlawful practices since long ago. But due to the blindfolded and negligence from the concerned authority in terminating such practices, now the hotels had leveled up their unlawful and illegal practices by running a prostitution racket. Hence, ACYPA is stunned to see as the higher authority and district administration did not take any action yet against it.
Today, আমি দেখা পালো যে ইয়াত আপোনাৰ only one এটা হোটেল আছে যি হোটেলত আপোনাৰ কি কৰে তেওঁলোকে আপোনাৰ সুঙাজান নাওজান এনে ধৰণৰ অঞ্চলৰ পৰা যুৱতীসকলক আনি তেওঁলোকক আপোনাৰ নাৰী দিয়ে ব্যৱসায়িকত আপোনাৰ জড়িত কৰে আৰু কিন্তু ইয়াত বহিৰাগতৰ ব্যক্তি ব্যৱসায়িকসকলে এই ধান্দাবাজি চলাই আছে।
Chitra Barua also informed that all the social and students organization of Lahorijan in cooperation with the police department must come under one umbrella and keep proper surveillance upon this matter. Otherwise, there is a certainty of dark future for the generation to come.
আৰু ইয়াত আপোনাৰ এনেকুৱা হৈছে বহু কেইটা হোটেল আছে হোটেলৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ লাইসেন্স নাই তেওঁলোকে কি কৰে আপোনাৰ বাৰ নিচিনা চলাই আছে।
Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.